Hi everyone, my name is Ricky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. Let's get started. This video is a follow-up to yesterday's video about creating a table in HTML. Well, in this video, we are going to learn converting an Excel sheet data into a HTML table. Let's assume you have an Excel sheet which has a lot of data, as you can see on the left, and you have to convert this into a HTML table. Well, this can be very painful because you'll have to add the table data for each of these items that you see, and adding it so many times will be very painful. Today we are going to learn an easy way of converting an Excel sheet into a HTML table. So let's get started. At first, I recommend going to the website tablegenerator.com. So I already have this website open here, tablegenerator.com. And after going to this website, click on the second tab on the top which says HTML table. Now you'll have to open your Excel sheet. For example, this is my Excel sheet. I'll copy the entire data by pressing Ctrl A and Ctrl C. So I've copied the entire data. Now I'll click on File, then I'll click on New Table. I can enter any values. Just click on the first cell and then press Ctrl V. It will automatically paste all the data here. Or otherwise what you can do is you can also click on File and then click on Paste Table Data and then paste all the data here. Now just scroll down, and once you scroll down there will be a button here which will say Generate. You can click on this and it will generate the HTML code for you. What you can also do is you can format this table, put in a particular, you can change the font of the table, or you can change the font size, or you can change the text color, or you can change the background as well. And you can change formatting, and after you're done changing the formatting, all you have to do is click on generate. For now we are clicking on the button which says do not generate CSS because we've not learned CSS. But if you're doing any formatting, make sure that you uncheck this checkbox and then click on generate so that it will give you the CSS code as well. For now we are not learning CSS, we'll be learning CSS in the future videos, so we'll click on do not generate CSS. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to copy this entire code. I'll open the code editor, Notepad++. On this, okay, so I'll open a new page, and on this new page I'll add the sample code. If you have a sample code, fine, or you can write the entire code. Else you can go to my website wikishah.com/sample-html-code, and then you can copy the code from there. I'll paste the code here, change the title, converting Excel data to HTML code. Now what I'll do is I will go back to the website tablegenerator.com and I'll just copy the entire HTML code that was generated, and I'll paste this code in the body part. Okay, I'll just save this file. Yes, I'll save it in the same folder. So we had created this folder on the desktop, HTML course, excel-2-html.html. I'll save it now. Let's go ahead and in this folder, HTML course, let's find that file, excel to HTML, and open it with a web browser. Perfect. Take a look. Now, just because the data does not look so clear as we did yesterday, what we can do is in the table we can add a small border and save it and refresh it here. Perfect. Take a look. We've generated such a big table in HTML without even coding the entire thing. This website made our life easy. Well, that's it for this video. See you all in the next video. Please do remember to subscribe the channel and like the video, and do recommend the channel to your friends who are looking forward to learn HTML and website development. All the best. Take care. Bye bye.